All right, this is Bill and Dave here at Tidelands Ford Lincoln. Today we're going to demonstrate the Park Assist. So first we're going to introduce ourselves a little bit better. I'm Save with Dave because I make car buying fast and fun. And this is Get Your Thrill with Bill. So we both try to differentiate ourselves so that we can make car buying different and more exciting for you. So hope you enjoy this. Take a look. Hopefully this helps somebody. Okay, so we found our spot in between the back of this Expedition and the side of that Explorer. So we pull up beside the spot just like this, and Bill is gonna hit the button that is the Park Assist button. There it is. And I'm gonna put on my left blinker. When I do that, you see this points to the left. The radar is engaged. And then we just release the gas and drive by the spot. Until you see this. All right. I now am responsible for braking. And so I apply the brake pedal until the vehicle tells us to stop. So there it is. So it's telling us to release the steering wheel, which I have done, and to shift it to reverse, which Bill's gonna do right now. There we go. So I now don't touch the steering wheel whatsoever, and look what happens. The vehicle has used radar to determine exactly the size of the hole that we need to fit in. And then the steering wheel goes back and forth until, now I'm responsible for braking and accelerating. Now when you see a checker flag, you know you have finished. So there you go. That is how you do Park Assist inside a Lincoln Nautilus. Hopefully this is helpful. We'll talk to you soon. Bill, anything you want to say?
Thanks, Dave.
Come get your thrill with Bill.